In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted boards on Monday.com. So let's say, for example, this one board that I have here for attendance sheet, we will delete this. So let me just delete this real quick. So it is now deleted already. So for us to be able to restore the deleted boards, we just need to go on the three dots and then view, archive, or trash. And then another option here, we will be going to this one, trash. And then you can see here all the boards that you have deleted. Boards, items, column, anything. So this is the board that we just currently deleted. So we will check the box, and then here at the bottom you'll see an option restore or delete permanently. So we will hit restore. Restoring item restored. Let's check. So it is already restored. And that's about it. That's how you restore deleted boards on Monday.com. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.